Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you everything about posts, how to create one, how to query one, and much more information about posts. So, first of all, go ahead and open your WordPress dashboard. That's by going to wordpress.com or home and your dashboard. You can go to it directly by writing WordPress admin.wp, or you can just open it the normal way, which is by going to wordpress.com and logging in. So after you do so, click on your website and let's go now to this dashboard. Let's open the site first to see how it looks like. And now, so this is how our site will look like. And now let's go ahead and create a new post. So we go here, and from here we add new posts. So it will take some time for us to create this new post. So let's go ahead and, for example, get some post ideas. So we will go somewhere in Google. Let's write informations or feed buzz, and from here we can drag an article. Let's, for example, get all of that somewhere in here, and let's put it post title. Let's make post title news what you envy, and here we add a paragraph and we paste all of these. Now after we do something like that, you can edit the text, you can make anything that you want in these paragraphs. You can edit literally anything. The text here is some detail, advanced details, the dimension, anything about the text itself. You can even add the background or color or whatever you feel like. You can make it bold, like the right thing, you can make it bold, and a lot of other details that you can do. After you finish with that, go to publish again and wait a couple of seconds, and it depends on your internet connection. If it's fast, you will be done in a few seconds. So as you can see, here is the post and here is everything about it we posted in here. So that was it with today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.